Just go.
Hello, and thanks for your interest in Man's Best Friend Dog Training. My name is Lee Hamilton. I've been training and educating dogs and their families for over 23 years. We're very unique in a couple of important ways. First, we teach your dog the basic things for you while you watch, and we turn that control over to the entire family. I've been fortunate enough to earn a living training dogs over my whole entire adult life. So for me, getting any dog to mind me is easy. What I do is relieve you of a lot of stress, relieve the dog of a lot of stress. I teach the dog the basic things while you watch, and then I turn that control over to you and your entire family. Everything starts with your basic obedience. Okay, Kona, heel. So Kona's an excitable 2.5-year-old chocolate Labrador that I got from the Lake County Animal Shelter. Kona, heel. Good boy. Good boy, sit. The first thing we want to do is teach Kona to walk nicely on a leash. When I walk, he walks. If I turn, he should turn. And I'm just moving. I should always be free to turn left if I need to turn left. If I stop, he should automatically just take a seat. If I walk, he walks with me. When I stop, he takes a seat. Hand in front of the face tells the dog to remain there. Pat on the leg brings him back to the heel. Good boy. Stop and tell him sit. Stay and turn and face him and have him lay down. Good boy, stay. Now, that's your basic on-leash obedience. This is exactly where we'll have your dog in just 2 lessons. On the 3rd lesson, we're going to turn this control over to you. In learning these basic things, taught formally and taught properly on a leash, your dog begins to understand very important concepts, you and your family as leaders within their life. They understand praise as encouragement to behavior. They'll begin to understand about a verbal and physical correction, just a little tug on the line and collar, as discouragement. You combine those principles with the ability to hold your dog's attention while life goes on around you, which is another place we're very unique. Very few people really understand the importance of being able to hold a dog's attention when company comes to the house, while food is present, when other dogs are walking in front of your bay window. A dog can know 100 commands. If you can't hold their attention in everyday real life social situations, you never have use of any of those commands. And it's our focus, being able to hold your dog's attention while life goes on around you. Then also the understanding that just because your dog does some basic things on a leash doesn't mean they stop jumping on company or chewing on things. Doesn't mean that they'll come when called without a leash. What we do is teach you how to use the tools that we have established to specifically address day-to-day behaviors. All of our training packages come with at least 1 home visit where we're going to come to your house and show you how to use what we've taught your dog in everyday real-life social situations. Stay. Good boy. Once we have the dog doing the basic things, the heel, sit, stay, down, stay on a leash, and we have the behaviors beginning to become well under control, we can start to actually have some fun with the dog. Okay, come. So even off a leash, we can get our dogs to do all the same basic things. Good boy. But there's a bridge to cross. Just because they'll do it on a leash doesn't mean they'll do it without one. Sit. Good boy, heel. Good boy, sit. Very good, stay. Very good, Kona, sit, stay. Ah, he's a good boy. Stay. Very good boy. Okay, come. That's good, sit. Good boy, Kona. Kona, heel. Good boy. Up here. Good boy. So off the leash, he understands about following me, letting me turn left. Then we can have more fun. Kona, weave. Come on, weave. Get through there. Yeah. Weave. Come on. Get through there, Kona. Weave. Get through there. Good boy, huh? Sit. Very good boy. Sit, stay. Good. Okay, up. Yes, that's a good boy, huh? Oh, that's a good boy. Heel. Good boy, Kona. Sit. Sit, stay. Very good boy. You can see Kona still has a great deal of energy. All I've done now, sit, stay, is I've taken his natural drive and energy and got it to work for me to have some fun with it. Okay, up. Good boy, yeah. Good boy. He's very athletic, very hyper. Sit. I want to give those things an outlet. I'm not trying to change what a dog is. Okay, come. Education, sit, allows me to free all of the things that he's capable of being. Leave it. Accept that. No, leave it. Good, heel. Good, sit. Good boy, down. Very good boy, stay. So your basic obedience, the heel, sit, stay, down, stay, done formally and done properly, is the foundation for all learning and training. We've done dozens of police dogs, wheelchair assistants, hearing assistants, search dogs, found bodies all across the country for dozens of different agencies. We can make your dog an everyday enjoyable part of your family. What we do is offer you for free. Bring your dog in. Let's meet him, get a feel for his temperament and personality. Let us put your dog on a leash and give you a short free lesson. See how quickly we can make your dog mind and begin to go in the right direction. Then from there, we'll go over all of our different programs and prices from there. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks again for your interest in Man's Best Friend Dog Training. 7566 Pearl Road, Middleburg Heights, Ohio, right next to Pet Supplies Plus. Thanks again for your interest in Man's Best Friend Dog Training.